What's going on, everyone? Hope you're having a great Sunday. So before we talk about the paint that we bought for the exhaust, let me catch everybody up on why we bought paint for the exhaust. So I have the TRD dual exhaust and I live in New Jersey. Here in New Jersey, we deal with salt on the roads, a lot of snow, the salt air because we're so close to the ocean, and that has really beat up the piping on the TRD dual exhaust. Here's a picture of what it looks like today. As you can see, there's a lot of rust buildup on those pipes. So back in, I think it was late March or early April, TRD had a major one-day sale where it was 40% off pretty much, I won't say everything, but almost everything. And one of those things was a TRD tailpipe kit. So what I did was I bought a new TRD tailpipe kit. This one's a little bit different. It's from the 2019 TRD Pro. So the difference is it comes with the black tips on it. But what I'm going to do before I install it is I'm going to paint the pipes a flat black. So hopefully it can hold off the rusting. This is something I may have to do once every year or once every other year to keep going on it. But after talking to a lot of people, I went ahead and bought some paint on what they suggested. A big shout out to Amazon because I ordered this yesterday and came home from the beach today, not even 24 hours later, and it's already here. And I got 2 cans of each. But here's what we're going to use to paint the exhaust. So first I got some Rust-Oleum, make sure you're on camera there, Rust-Oleum high heat primer. Okay, and it resists heat up to 2,000 degrees. This is great for, you know, headers and exhaust and everything like that. And after we do that, we're going to put on some flat black Rust-Oleum spray paint right there. High heat, of course, for 2,000 degrees. If you can't read that again. And, you know, we're going to sand it down first to make sure it sticks and everything goes well. But this is what people have been telling me to get to do this, so I'm going to try it out. And also with the old exhaust system, or excuse me, the old tailpipe kit that I take off, I'm going to try a couple things with that. I'm going to try to sand that down and put this on. And, you know, if the exhaust comes out well, the old one I will give away or sell or whatever. But I definitely wasn't going to buy a new tailpipe kit. I was just going to fix the one that's on there already. But with that TRD sale, that happened. It had to be done. So I'm really looking forward to it. On the tailpipe kit that comes off, I'm also going to paint the tips black. So on the one that's coming off, they're chrome right now, so they will go flat black all the way down the pipes, including the tips on that one. So we have a little bit of a project on our hands that we're going to do in the next week or two, but I wanted to give you guys the update because we've been talking about on the live stream what paint to use. Everybody had a lot of suggestions, but this is what people have been talking about more than anything else. So we're definitely going to try this. We also got the new DeWalt impact wrench, which should give me no trouble getting the tailpipe kit off. So I'm really excited to do the project. I just need to have the time to do it. So it'll be one of these days. As long as my day off, it doesn't rain, it will be done. So I look forward to showing you what happens, and let me know what you think. Have you done anything like this to your tailpipe to keep all of that rust discoloration off and everything like that? Have you done that? If so, what paint did you use? Do you have any other suggestions before we do this project? Let me know. Twitter and Instagram at TundraDude34, TundraDude34 @gmail.com. You guys have a great day.